Hi, and welcome to the 10 square meter workshop. I'm Mike. Do you use one of these or something similar to set your router height? They work, but there's a better way. Coming up after this. Using a device like this to set your router height, it's a bit fiddly. First, you have to zero it. Then you have to balance it over the cutter head and then adjust the height with your other hand. And it only really works in the upward direction. What you really need is a permanent digital readout of your router height.
That's not as hard as you might think. Remote digital readouts, such as this, are readily available. I'll put some links below. This is the underneath of my router table. The scale of the device is mounted to the rear, secured to the table with one of the supplied brackets. The top does not require attachment, the scale holds it securely. The moving part has threaded holes, as can be seen. I attached this to a bracket made from 3mm aluminium, which wrapped around the router, trapped by a handle, and then bolted to a convenient point. It's very rigid. The readout I mounted in a swinging metal tray, but this could also be made from thin plywood. Viewed from the top, this swings out to display the setting.
When you change your bit, the zero changes of course, but all you have to do is use a straight edge. To set the zero. Store the zero and it stays there until the next bit change. Adjustment can be made with a fence in place. Fine accuracy is easy to achieve. Switch off and put away. So, does that mean I can throw this away? No, it is still useful for setting the fence distance. Well, there we have it. A fairly simple addition to your router table that transforms how you set it. That's all for this time. More next time.